Thanks for watching how to fix your hose when your neighbor runs it over.
With his lawnmower.
Runs it over and won't apologize. You can punch him in the face, or you can just cut your hose. Go buy this in the PEX aisle. It's 1/2 inch. Insert it in here, clamp it, and you're good to go. That's how you solve it. My neighbor ran mine over with a lawnmower. He's got yet to confess about it. Anyway, first thing you're going to do is cut the hose, cut the bad piece out. The thickness of the pipe is 1/2 inch. Then you're going to search on Amazon for hose repair kit. Or you can go to Menards and buy any piece you need for $2.66. Either way, you can get it fixed. Quick and easy. The big box stores also sell repair kits for hoses, but a lot of people just don't know it. So all you're going to do is clamp this on one end, clamp the female on the other end, so you got male and female, and then what you end up with is 2 hoses, but now they're fixed on each end. Hope that makes sense. Anyways, this little $8-9 kit could fix your hose. And don't buy one of those retractable hoses because they won't last more than 1.5 years. They always explode. But these ones are awesome. They're lightweight. It's like some kind of fabric on it. I think it's made by Orbits. Sold at Menards. So go there and fix your hose and give me a thumbs up if this video helped you out. If you got a standard size hose, you can buy one of these for $2 and connect your hose in the center, but mine's a little bit thinner. I'm actually going to go to the plumbing section and pick up a PEX 1/2 inch piece just like this. All right, so you got your hose, your clamp. There's the rubber hose. 1/2 inch PEX insert. You guys get the idea. Pretty simple. Tighten it up. Good to go. At the end, your hose should look like this, or maybe something different. And then you can see the pressure is on.
Hit that like button if I helped you out. Thanks for watching.